Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you feel stuck in English? You understand a little. You study sometimes, but when you try to speak, your mind goes blank. Here's the truth. It's not because you are bad at English. It's because you don't have the right daily habits. Most people focus on grammar rules, vocabulary lists, random lessons, but they ignore the one thing that actually creates fluency. Consistency with the right habits. In this video, I will share 6 powerful daily habits that completely changed my English and can change yours too. Watch till the end because the last habit is the most important one. Habit 1. Start thinking in English. Let me ask you something. When you want to say something in English, do you first think in your native language, then translate? If yes, that's the biggest reason you struggle. Because translation is slow and speaking needs to be fast. What to do instead? Start thinking directly in English. At first, it will feel difficult. That's normal. Start with simple thoughts. I am tired. I need to study. This food is delicious. Why is it so hot today? Then slowly move to longer thoughts. I think I should improve my English every day. Today I will practice speaking for 10 minutes. Use your daily life as practice. Everything you see, describe it in English. Your room, your phone, your work. This trains your brain to live in English, not translate. Habit 2. Speak every single day. Here's a mistake many learners make. They wait for the perfect time to speak, but that time never comes. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. What you can do. Speak even if you are alone. Yes, alone. Try this. Talk to yourself about your day. Explain what you are doing. Pretend you are teaching someone. Example, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I felt a bit tired, but I decided to study English. Mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. This helps you build confidence, improve body language, reduce fear. Remember, the more you speak, the more natural it becomes. Habit 3. Learn vocabulary in context. Let's be honest, memorizing long vocabulary lists does not work for most people. You forget the words quickly, right? That's because your brain remembers meaning, not just words. Wrong way. Happy equal joyful. Equal excited. Right way. Learn words in sentences. I feel happy when I learn something new. She was excited about her new job. Why these words? You understand how to use the word. You remember it longer. You speak more naturally. Bonus tip. Create your own sentences. The more personal it is, the easier it is to remember. Habit 4. Daily listening practice. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. Because your brain learns language through input. What to listen to? YouTube videos, podcasts, movies, interviews. How to practice? Step 1. Listen with subtitles. Step 2. Listen again without subtitles. Step 3. Repeat what you hear. This is called shadowing. Example. Speaker, how are you doing today? You repeat. How are you doing today? You repeat. How are you doing today? Result. Better pronunciation, better understanding, faster speaking ability. Even 15 to 20 minutes daily is powerful. Habit 5. Write every day. Writing is like training your brain to organize thoughts. If you can write clearly, you can speak clearly. What to write? Your daily routine, your goals, your opinions, a short story. Start small, just 5 to 6 sentences a day. Example, today I learned some new English habits. I feel motivated to improve my speaking skills. Important, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Habit 6. Consistency over motivation. This is the habit that changes everything. Most people depend on motivation, but motivation is temporary. Some days you feel excited, some days you don't. That's normal. The secret: build a system, not just motivation. Example routine: 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes listening, 5 minutes writing. Total 25 minutes daily. That's it. If you do this every day for 3 months, your English will improve more than 1 year of random studying. Bonus habit: enjoy the journey. If learning feels boring, you will quit. So make it enjoyable. Fluency is not magic, it's not talent, it's daily habits. Start with this: think in English, speak daily, learn in context, listen consistently, write regularly. If you found this video helpful, like this video, comment "I will practice daily." Subscribe for more English learning content.